Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall and delete device drivers on Windows 10. There are many reasons why you need to uninstall device driver, like upgrading the hardware. Uninstalling device driver when you don't need them is very helpful to your PC. These can help increase hard drive space and system performance. To uninstall device driver, follow these steps. Go to Control Panel, select Device Manager. By default, Device Manager shows all connected devices in a list sorted by the type of function they perform. Expand out the relevant section and look for the specific driver you want to uninstall. Right-click on the driver, then click on Uninstall Device. Then click again on Uninstall button to confirm. These will now uninstall the driver. Some drivers offer the option to delete the driver files from the hard disk. This option is offered when the driver was not shipped with Windows 10, or when no other devices or Windows services rely on the driver, or share a component with it. Checking this box will permanently delete the driver from the driver store. This means that when the device is reinstalled on the PC, the driver will need to be reloaded from Windows Update or reinstalled from the device installation media. This can be very useful if a device that's causing problems is automatically being reinstalled on a restart or on a refresh of the device manager. Sometimes you may wish to roll a driver back to the previously installed version and then block the new driver from installing. Under the Driver tab in the Device Properties panel, you will find a Rollback Driver button. If a previous driver is available for the device, this button will be available to click. Note that this system uses the Windows 10 System Restore feature and will not work if System Restore is disabled on the PC. This covers uninstalling and deleting device drivers. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.